If Safari browser is missing on your iPhone, then here is the fix. First of all, try to left swiping until you get to this app library section. Just search Safari and then long press on Safari and try to put it on any of the home screen. Okay, you can put it on another home screens or anywhere you want. Okay, once it is done, you tap anywhere and it will be set. Okay, so your Safari will be there. Okay, so this is one of the method. The second method is just find settings, tap on settings and then scroll down and find screen time, tap on it, and now scroll down and find content and privacy restrictions. If it is turned on, then tap on allowed apps and make sure Safari is turned on. Okay, if it is turned off, turn it on. Okay, if you're still confused, try to turn off the content and privacy restriction for few seconds and then see whether it resolves the issue. Maybe some content and privacy restrictions have been set to disable Safari on your iPhone. So that's it, guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.